Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2685, indicates a low supply voltage in the actuator supply voltage C circuit, affecting the vehicle's transmission control module, TCM. This issue can lead to various symptoms, including erratic transmission behavior or malfunctioning actuators, which can impede the vehicle's performance. The actuator supply voltage is critical for the proper operation of components controlled by the TCM. As such, understanding the error and addressing it promptly is essential for maintaining vehicle reliability. This presentation will guide you through the diagnostic process required to troubleshoot DTC P2685, specific to the Honda Accord manufactured between 2017 and 2023. The error code P2685 pertains to the actuator supply voltage C circuit, which provides voltage to various actuators and systems controlled by the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM is a vital electronic component located in the vehicle that manages transmission operations by processing data from various sensors and input sources. The supply voltage should ideally remain within specific parameters for optimal functionality. But when it dips too low, it leads to this particular DTC error. The circuit infrastructure primarily includes wiring that connects the TCM to the underhood fuse or relay box, making it susceptible to potential wiring or connection issues. This visibility into both the errors and the components affected will better assist technicians in addressing the underlying failures. The underlying causes of DTC P2685 can be categorized into a few distinct areas. Firstly, poor electrical connections between the TCM and the underhood fuse relay box can lead to inadequate voltage transmission. These deficiencies may stem from corroded connectors, loose terminals, or damaged wiring harnesses. Secondly, a blown fuse, specifically fuse number A14, may indicate a short circuit, which requires immediate replacement and further investigation. Lastly, an open wire in the VB3 plus B TCU3 line between the TCM and the fuse box can disrupt the flow of voltage essential for actuator functionality. Identifying these issues through systematic checks will quickly isolate the problem. Symptoms stemming from DTC P2685 may manifest in various ways, primarily affecting the vehicle's performance. Erratic transmission behavior is a common symptom, where the transmission may unexpectedly shift gears or fail to respond correctly to driver inputs. Additionally, malfunctioning actuators may become apparent, displaying inconsistent behavior during operation, which can further complicate driving dynamics. Moreover, the check engine light on the dashboard may illuminate, alerting the driver to a problem that requires diagnostic attention. Understanding these manifestations can be instrumental in quickly identifying and addressing the underlying issue to ensure vehicle functionality remains intact. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2685 involves confirming the presence of the DTC by placing the vehicle in the on mode. This action activates the vehicle's electrical systems, including the TCM, allowing the technician to use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing codes. Once cleared, it's crucial to switch the vehicle back to off, lock mode, before placing it back to on to observe any changes. After a brief waiting period, the technician should check for any pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. If the error reappears as confirmed, it indicates a persistent issue. However, if it does not show up, the problem may be intermittent, necessitating further investigation of electrical connections and wiring. For the second troubleshooting step, it is essential to turn the vehicle off to safely check fuse number A14, located within the underhood fuse box. Inspecting this fuse is crucial, as it serves as a protective element in the circuit relevant to the actuator supply voltage. If the fuse appears to be functional, the troubleshooting can proceed to the next steps. Conversely, if the fuse is blown, it must be replaced and the circuit should be rechecked for faults. If the newly installed fuse blows again, this indicates a potential short to ground in the VB3 plus B TCU3 wire, necessitating further diagnostic processes to isolate and fix the short circuit promptly. The third troubleshooting step involves disconnecting TCM connector A, specifically a 23-pin connector. It is essential to perform this step safely to prevent any electrical damage. Using a multimeter, measure the voltage between test points, TCM connector A, number 8, and body ground. This measurement should be taken with the vehicle in the off-lock mode, ensuring accurate readings. If battery voltage is present at the specified test points, it indicates that the VB3 plus B TCU3 wire is functioning correctly. At this point, the technician may further consult authorized service information related to the DTC, or consider substituting a known good TCM. If substituting resolves the issue, the original TCM should be replaced, as it is likely malfunctioning. Conversely, if no battery voltage is detected, repairing the identified open in the VB3 plus B TCU3 wire will be necessary. After completing the troubleshooting and repair process for DTC P2685, it is essential to conduct a final repair verification. Begin by confirming that the DTC has been successfully cleared using the HDS. This step ensures that no residual error codes remain in the vehicle's computer system. Next, it's vital to evaluate the overall performance of the vehicle. This may involve conducting a test drive to ensure that the transmission operates as expected without any symptoms of erratic behavior. If the vehicle demonstrates stable performance without triggering the check engine light or other warning signals, the diagnosis can be safely considered complete. This verification process not only ensures that the repair was effective, but also enhances the vehicle's reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in minimizing the chances of encountering DTC P2685 in the future. Regular inspections of the wiring harnesses and connectors associated with the TCM are crucial in identifying potential wear and tear that might compromise electrical integrity. By checking these connections frequently, technicians can ensure that all terminals are clean, secure, and free of corrosion. Additionally, maintaining the integrity of the fuses within the underhood fuse box, particularly fuse number A14, can help prevent issues related to circuit interruptions. Educating vehicle owners about these maintenance tasks encourages proactive measures that improve overall vehicle reliability and longevity. In conclusion, the DTC P2685 signifies a low voltage condition in the actuator supply voltage C circuit, which can significantly impact the operation of the transmission control module. Addressing this issue requires systematic troubleshooting, involving steps such as verifying DTC presence, checking fuses, and inspecting wiring for integrity. Potential causes include poor electrical connections, blown fuses, or open wires, all of which demand careful examination. Conducting thorough verification after repairs ensures that the problem is resolved effectively. Prioritizing preventive maintenance can further mitigate the risk of recurrence, thereby promoting the Honda Accord's reliability and performance for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.